We have all been lucky enough to be blessed with the most wonderful gift of all. That's life. And what we do with our lives is totally up to us. So don't waste your life. I for sure am not wasting mine. So who am I? My name is Brady Chowdhury, also known as BeastmodeBrady. I'm 17 years old and live in East London, South Africa. Some of you might know me as this guy, a man who wears this blazer and badge on his chest with pride and passion. Others as this guy, a born racer who is at home on the racetrack or in the bush. If it has engines and wheels, I'll ride it. Others might know me as an intellectual individual, one who prioritizes his knowledge and well-being above all else. Or this man, a people's person who is prepared to get down and serve others selflessly. And there's many more. The point I'm getting to is that these are all different perceptions of me. I am therefore all of these because I've chosen to be. I will not let others define who I am or who I will be. I am my own person, and that is up to me. My mission is to inspire and touch the lives of all the people I can, to spread love, the word of God, and inspiration and encouragement. And in doing so, I find joy and fulfillment. So I reach out to all of you watching this video to follow the channel and let me be a part of your lives. So, who am I? Well, this is me. This is BeastmodeBrady signing out. Peace. Like and subscribe.